Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we're going to show the progress semi of our DGY70S. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For the first step, you'll require part 1, parts 2 and 3, 4 parts number 7, and the Allen key part number 9. Let's go ahead and assemble now. When assembling, just make sure that these draw catches are facing the same side. For the next step, you require part number 4 and 2 parts number 7 and also the Allen key just for tightening. Let's go ahead and assemble now. When assembling, just make sure that the draw catcher is facing the same direction as the others. For the next step, you require 2 parts number 5, 6 part number 8, the screws, and the Allen key. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next step, you require 4 parts number 6, the feet. Let's go ahead and install now. For the next step, we'll be assembling the drawers, the big and the small. Let's go ahead and assemble now. We can do the same for the rest. Next, we'll be installing the drawers. The next step is an optional step. Please refer to our manual on how to install. Thank you for watching the progress semi for our DGY70S. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product semis and more of our products. Thank you.